Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Destiny. Today we're doing passion twists, but these are short passion twists. I did passion twists about a month ago. They were very long, and when I would try to put them up in a bun and I would work out, my head, I feel like I would had an extra weight, and we don't need extra weights while we're working out. We just need what we need to do that set. We don't need any extra. So yeah, I did them shorter. I even experimented with a little bit of color because I do want to color my hair, but you know, experimented with a little bit of color. The only thing I did different was I didn't use a crochet needle. I just did the rubber band method. But y'all gonna see that. Let's just get right into the video, and I will see y'all at the end of it. All you're gonna need are some hair clips, a rat tail comb, a detangling brush, or something to detangle your hair with some smaller teeth on it, other than like a wide tooth comb. You're also gonna need some scissors and the hair. I use Freetress braid hair. It's about 20 inches long, but I cut it in half because I wanted them short. And right here, I'm just showing you the hair and the color. It's on a hanger because I did a vinegar rinse on it just so it won't be itchy on my scalp. So all I'm doing is cutting the hair in half. And I take about 6 to 4 pieces for each twist. And I separate the hair. And I just make it look a little less tamed. And after you finish fluffing them out, if the hair is colored like how mine is and the color is really at the end, you want to just make sure both sides have an even amount of color. Like not all one side is brown, not all one side is light brown. So I actually fluffed out all of the hair at once, and I was just pulling pieces of the hair to braid because, you know, I just couldn't taking 5 pieces, separating those out, taking 5 pieces, separating those out. So I just did the whole pack of hair. I just separated all out. I've already done this side and the back. I just have to finish the front. And the last time I did passion twist, I feel like I did way more, but this time I have less parts in the back. Compared to when I did it the last time. But this time, I'm not using a crochet needle. I am just adding the hair without a crochet needle. So I'll show you this piece that I'm about to do right now. And all I'm doing is adding a little bit of styling cream on my hair to protect it while it's in these twists. And I blew my hair out using the tension method. I just blew it out a little just to make sure it was completely dry and stretched a little. I didn't care if it wasn't completely stretched all the way. Just wanted to get my natural coils out so that it could mesh with the hair a little bit better. This is how much hair I'm using. I added the styling cream. Now I'm going to add the Shine Jam. I'm adding a generous amount to the front. Okay, and then I'm going to use a rubber band. The same thing, just a rubber band the part in the section. There were 2 twists I did without the rubber band, and I feel like when the part is a little bit thinner, it's easier to grip, but The reason why I like using a rubber band, because it really defines the part, and when it's time to add the hair, it's easier to grip. So and all I'm doing is taking the hair. So you're gonna have 3 sections, and you start off with a braid. So I'm just braiding. It's probably easier for you to see instead of me trying to talk about it. I'm just braiding the 3 pieces. And I'll probably do like 5 passes of the braid, and then I take my hair and separate it and then twist. And I'm trying not to pull on my hair so that the rubber band won't slip.
So being very gentle.
And I actually like how it's a little messy, like these pieces that are coming out. I may cut them, I may not. I haven't decided yet, but I'm kind of feeling it. And I'm just cutting this extraness off. Yeah, I'm kind of feeling the distressed look. Like I may cut this. I'm not sure yet though. I don't know yet. So yeah, this is how it's looking, and I'm just going to keep doing this side. Then I'll probably finish this side off camera, and then I will come back and let you all see the final result. I only used 2.5 packs of the hair. Together, all 3 packs of hair cost about $23, so I'm definitely getting a lot of bang for my buck with this style. So I'm just using the braiding method to attach it, if that's even a method. I'm just using a braid to attach it instead of using the crochet needle. I think I braided this one down too far, but it's okay. Hey y'all, so this is the finished look. The parts probably aren't as perfect, but it's fine with me because I just wanted a style where I wouldn't have to be in my hair a lot. So I'm probably gonna wear it up and off my neck and just, you know, like this or something. Thank you all so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed, and I will see y'all in the next video.